Hello again, YouTube. We're in my bathroom once again because I am doing things to my hair. So a couple months ago, I bleached my hair and dyed it pink, and now I want orange hair. So we're gonna do that today. The only thing I've really done since that last video, I've upkept the color and then bleached what has regrown. So that's why it's a bit more orangey up here and not as pink. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a bleach bath for the first time and just try to get out some of this remaining pink color before I put the orange in. That way it's not like this beachy color, but like a full pumpkin orange. I want to look like a pumpkin. So from what I understand, once it's on, it works pretty fast and you don't want to leave it too on. So the goal is to work quickly. I also, from watching videos and doing research, I always thought you could just put bleach bath in your hair like shampoo and that it would just remove the color. But it apparently can lighten your whole hair, which makes sense. It is bleach. So I'm going to section out this bottom part that I don't want to get lightened. And I'm also going to try and whiten my roots because I like the rooty look. So I'm going to section out my hair and make the mixture. I really hope this works. Alright, so bleach bath is basically just a diluted hair bleach solution. The ratio I'm using, I'm following Jade Madden's tutorial, and then the ratio she has there. But this is what it's looking like. It's just shampoo, conditioner, some water, and then bleach and peroxide. I have my hair that I don't want this bottom layer sectioned off separately, and I'm probably gonna lay down some like I have parchment paper to help protect it from the bleach bleeding onto it because it will lighten it. But yeah, I'm gonna just start putting this on my head. It's kind of scary. It just looks like bleach. Okay, so guess just dive in. Try and saturate. Oh gosh, it's getting on the floor. It's a lot more soupy than the regular stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at not making a mess. Oh wow, that does work super fast. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna put some of these papers just against my hair to try and protect what's underneath. So far it's been 6 minutes. Oh my gosh! This is just me throwing everything on the floor. This is what this video is. The smell is really strong. I'm blonde again. This is weird. I'm gonna rinse this out of my hair very quickly. I am so impressed with how fast it worked, but I'll be back when I have all the bleach out of my hair. I'm back and blonder than ever. It's all dry. I'm gonna put the orange on. Here's the orange. The lighting in here isn't that great, so it probably looks funky, but it is very orange, and I'm gonna put it on my head. I should probably section my hair off first. Here we go. Every year we normally watch Over the Garden Wall, and I couldn't even wait until October this year. I watched it last week, which then it was almost October. Today's October 1st. And so we watched it a week early because I just needed spoopy in my life. It's been a year and couldn't wait anymore. It's so orange. Puts orange dye on my hair. Surprised it's orange. Oh, I got it on my neck. I didn't even like put Vaseline on or anything. I like to live life on the wild side. Well, it's in my hair. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for like an hour or so, and in the meantime try to get all the orange off of my neck and ears and face, and then I will be back with the final result. I'm a pumpkin. So Here's the hair. Yeah, I like it. My hair is giving me Lena Inverse vibes from Slayers, and I kind of love it. Yeah, my only complaint is that it's got a lot of red in this orange, and I kind of wanted more of like a pumpkin-y, orangey orange, and this looks very red on camera too, but it's orange in person. It's just a reddish orange. You know what? I'm okay with it. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, I feel nice and spoopy. It's a fun change for the Halloween autumn season. I realize I'm wearing the same overalls that I wore in my last hair video. These are my hair transformation overalls, apparently. Also, yes, the dye did tint my brown hair. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it does have a reddish orange hue to it. That's my hair. I'm happy with the result, and I'll see you next time. Bye.